Have you been dreaming of a cheerful garden without all the hard work? In this video, we'll explore 10 easy yellow flowers that even beginners can grow. These blooms bring sunshine, attract pollinators, and brighten your garden with very little effort. First on our list, the sunflower. These iconic yellow giants love full sun and well-drained soil. Plant seeds about 1 inch deep in sunny soil. Space them 6 inches apart, then thin seedlings to about 12-18 inches for dwarf varieties or up to 36 inches for tall ones. Water deeply during dry spells to keep roots strong. Use stakes or a trellis for taller types. A little care, and soon you'll have towering blooms that invite bees, butterflies, and smiles all summer long. Next up, the marigold. Bright, bold, and easy to grow. Plant seeds after the last frost in full sun and well-drained soil. You'll see sprouts in about 2 weeks and blooms soon after. Tips: deadhead old flowers to encourage new ones. Pair marigolds with vegetables to keep pests away. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. These cheerful flowers bring color and natural pest control, a win for any garden. Few things announce spring like the daffodil. Their trumpet-shaped yellow blooms symbolize renewal and hope. To plant. Plant bulbs in fall, about 6 inches deep and 3 to 4 inches apart. Water after planting, and again when shoots appear. Let leaves fade naturally. They feed next year's growth. Daffodils are low maintenance, deer-resistant, and perfect for naturalizing in lawns or wildflower beds. Meet the black-eyed Susan. Rustic, hardy, and full of charm. How to grow. Space plants 12-18 inches apart in a sunny area. Water regularly until established, then only during dry spells. Remove spent blooms to extend flowering time. These perennials bloom from summer to fall and draw in butterflies, a true symbol of summer warmth. Next, coreopsis, also called tick seed. It's drought-tolerant once established and blooms all summer long. Plant in full sun with well-drained soil. Water regularly until roots take hold. Trim back old blooms to encourage new ones. Its fine, feathery leaves and continuous yellow flowers make it perfect for garden borders or containers. For a shady corner, try primroses. These gentle spring bloomers thrive in cool, moist soil. How to plant. Choose a shaded, sheltered spot. Space plants 4 to 6 inches apart. Keep soil evenly moist and mulch lightly to hold moisture. Remove faded blooms for continuous color. Primroses spread slowly and brighten your garden early in the season, even when sunlight is scarce. Forsythia shrubs are a true spring spectacle. They bloom before their leaves appear, creating a golden explosion after winter's gray days. Care tips: plant in full sun. Prune right after blooming to shape and encourage new growth. Give them room. Forsythia spreads wide over time. It's low maintenance, attracts birds, and provides a joyful start to the gardening season. For a soft, meadow-like touch, plant buttercups. They love moist soil and partial sun. Planting guide: best time, spring or fall. Space 6 to 12 inches apart. Mix in compost and water early in the day. Keep a light mulch edge to prevent overspreading. Buttercups bloom brightly and spread cheerfully. Just keep them contained to avoid taking over the bed. If you want blooms that glow at night, evening primrose is your star. To grow. Choose a sunny, well-drained spot. Plant in spring or fall. Water during dry spells, especially the first year. Mulch to keep roots protected. At dusk, the flowers open with a soft fragrance, attracting moths and night pollinators, perfect for twilight gardens. And finally, the yellow coneflower, a tough perennial that thrives in heat. Planting steps. Space 12-18 inches apart in full sun. Water well when planting, then let nature take over. Remove spent blooms to keep flowers coming. They're drought-tolerant, bee-friendly, and return year after year, making them a beginner's best friend. From sunflowers to primroses, these 10 easy yellow flowers can turn your garden into a vibrant, low-maintenance oasis. Each bloom adds warmth, joy, and life, one petal at a time. Happy gardening, and may your days be as bright as your flowers. Be sure to check out this video for more.